I'm moving! I am moving almost 1,400 miles away from home. Surprise! I have one more secret that I want to tell you. I am moving to... I'm caught in an action, I can't rewind on. And in my head, I'm screaming, but out of my mind, I'm still too young to feel this way. Hey everyone, welcome back. I am so excited to share this news with you all. It has been a long kept secret, the hardest one I've had to keep thus far, and I am so excited to announce that I am moving to a warmer state. And before I reveal what exact state I am moving to, pause the video right here and leave your guesses down below on where you think I'm moving to. But anyways, I'm so excited. My boyfriend and I have moved and we got the keys to our first apartment, and it just doesn't feel real yet. It really doesn't. We have been all over the place planning and moving stuff in, and we are even going to surprise our cousins who don't know that we're here yet. But without further ado, I will show you guys where I am moving to. To Florida, which is so crazy because it's so far away from home and I am going to miss so many people back at home. So I'm originally from New England, specifically Massachusetts, and I'm moving all the way down to Florida. I have been wanting to move to Florida for a very long time, but I was always hesitant for a variety of reasons, and long story short, those reasons have been resolved, and it has been so nice to take the step out of my comfort zone, like huge step out of my comfort zone, and come down here. Also, I want to announce that I found a job, which I'm so excited about, and I'll be making a whole entire separate video about my job, but I did find a job as a speech language pathologist down here in Florida. We've had everything set up since March, the job and the apartment, so it's been kind of crazy trying to finish finals with my classes and my placement, trying to apply for an apartment and jobs. It's been insane, and all the while keeping it a secret from you guys and some of my family here in Florida. It's just so rewarding, and I don't know, you feel a sense of accomplishment and pride just because I worked for this. My boyfriend and I worked really hard to save up for this, and we finally have the chance to do it, and I absolutely love our apartment. I actually just got done filming an apartment tour, so that video will be coming up next, so stay tuned for that. I am sad and I am going to miss Massachusetts, and I'm going to miss the comfort of it and like knowing all the roads and things like that, and knowing where I am, because I like knowing where I am. I like knowing how everything's supposed to be. So this is a really big change for me, but I think it'll be a really good change. It's good to get out of your hometown. It's good to expand, and I'm just so excited for all the opportunities we're gonna have and the people we're gonna meet. It's just, I don't know, super exciting. That's the word of this video, okay? Super exciting. By the time this video comes out, my cousins will know, so the secret is out. But I have one more secret that I want to tell you. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video, because I have yet another secret to tell you guys that I've been holding in. So we're gonna go surprise my cousins right now. So let's go see. All right, we're walking up to my cousin's house right now, and they have no idea we're here. Like, no idea. I'm so excited. They don't even know that we live here. Surprise!
What's up? What are you doing here? Hey!
Hi, puppy!
How are you? I was just gonna go vacuum out.
Surprise!
What's up? Come on in. Hey, move back. What are you up to?
Hi!
Why are you in my party on Florida?
Guess what?
What?
We live here!
We do. Oh, quit.
We do! Why do you think we're here?
For real?
Yes!
Quit playing. Apartment key right there. You couldn't like call somebody and tell me that you...
Guess what? I live here now.
Yeah?
Yes,
About
I
6
do.
minutes from here. You got the keys today, signed everything today. Does Carrie know?
No! I was just hoping you guys were home.
Don't be upset.
So I've had a job since March.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
To not tell me.
Yes. This was the hardest secret to keep ever.
I'm gonna get Scott.
Surprise!
What the hell are you doing here? We live here.
We live here.
You
Yes, we did.
Yes. What?
We live here. We got our keys today.
Keys today.
You where?
At the place we went to look at. The one that me and you went to.
Did you fly?
We flew down this morning.
I'm so good at keeping secrets.
He did not know.
I did that.
Did you get a job?
Yes, I have a job.
Tell me any of
No, because you guys think of keeping secrets.
I know, I said the same thing. I was like,
Oh my god!
Now we get to go to your game.
Wait a second. So how did you find a job? Like
I found a job in like a week. I've had it since March. I start August. Our apartment was available in May, and we're gonna move our stuff down in June and unpack completely for a couple weeks, and then we'll go back to Massachusetts to spend time with family for the month of July, because my graduation for my master's was postponed until the end of July, which really stinks. So I'm gonna spend time with my family up through the month of July, have my graduation, and then fly back down really quick to start my job, which is so exciting, and I can't even believe I have a job already. It's just crazy that I am going to be a speech language pathologist, and this will be my CF year. So if you're unfamiliar with that, it's the year that I do get paid, but it's kind of still a practice year, and I still am offered support when and if I need it. But super big thank you to my friends, my family, my parents, everybody who's been supporting us so far. I am so excited. I'm gonna miss everyone, but like I said, I'm looking forward to all the opportunities we have here in Florida. And we're staying here for the week to set everything up, and I'm just loving it. I would rather spend months in super hot than months in super cold. Everybody says, oh, it rains here so much and it's so hot in the summer. Well, it's so cold in the winter in Massachusetts. I would rather get in my car and turn the air conditioning on here than turn on the heat in my car in the winter up north. But yeah, I'm officially moving to the Sunshine State. So ready to see who's coming with me? All right. And surprise! I'm moving too! My mom is moving with me. I'm so excited. She's gonna be about an hour and 15 minutes south, but she'll be with me in Florida. We're going to Florida! So yeah, my mom and my stepdad are gonna be moving.
We're all moving to Florida.
Yeah, and different parts, but they're gonna go help take care of my stepdad's parents, who also live down there. So that'll be really good, and then hopefully they can check out the area that I'll be in and move a little bit closer after.
It'd be so good to be by family.
Yes. So that's the exciting news.
Bye, Massachusetts. Hello, Florida.
We're going to
Florida.
I hope you guys enjoyed surprising my cousins with us, and you finally get to see that my mom is moving down with me. I'm so excited to have her. But stay tuned to see that apartment tour. I will have it linked down below after I post it in this video, or I will link it here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video in Florida. Bye.